how to play against bots in Clash Royale. So if you want to play against bots in Clash Royale, then what you need to do is first you need to just open up your Clash Royale application. After opening, here's how to find the training camp. First, from the main menu, look at the top right hand corner of your screen and you'll find 3 horizontal lines or the hamburger menu. So click on that. And when that menu appears, look for the option that says training camp. Then click on training camp. Now this will give you a pop-up. Click on OK. After that, it will immediately launch you into a match against the AI trainers. Now you can practice as long as you want. You can pause or even exit at any time you want as well. And it will also not affect your trophy road progress. Now, if you want to try to get it into easier matches against bot players on the actual trophy road or the real deal, then there's a specific method that players have discovered to trig the matchmaking system. But be warned that this does not have a 100% success rate. So here's how to do it. Again, just simply go back to your main battle menu or the battle screen and rapidly tap the battle button and then quickly tap the cancel button or the cancel option. You need to do this very quickly. Just tap on battle, which will be on the bottom, and then go with cancel, which will be on the bottom. Do this multiple times until the battle button and the cancel option completely disappear. Immediately after that, the game will load you into a match and you will also not have the option to cancel it again. In theory, the quick canceling can sometimes cause confusion in the matchmaking server, causing it to place you against a bot instead of a real player. Now remember, though you will sometimes still end up matchmaking against real humans, so use the trick with caution. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.